All right, today we're gonna bring a keyboard, and this is a beautiful little keyboard with a lot of details, a lot of characters. If you guys can see that. Now, the whole keyboard itself, there's a couple options you should know. There's Bluetooth and there's also wireless on it. All right. Now, the keyboard itself, it's a little smaller than usual. It's not a 10 keys. It's just pretty much a basic keyboard that it's useful for games, kids. Pretty much a lot of details on it. It's very beautiful and outstanding little details that they have. They're little characters, little bears, and so forth. So if kids are learning to type, this is a perfect way because the keys are actually a lot fatter than regular keys. All right, they're a lot easier to actually bend your hand into it and start typing away. Now it does have all the function keys, the regular shifts, and the big, large space bar here. And if you guys can see, it has a couple characters as shape as the actual letters in here. So I like this whole setup. We're gonna turn it around so I can show you some more stuff in back of it. Now in the back is where actually the hidden compartment is at, and also you do need a battery on it. Once you set up the battery, it does have a USB in here, and it's easy to turn on. Now it's easy if you could use wireless or Bluetooth. It's an optional on the actual keyboard. The best thing I like about it, I like it has rubber ends. It kind of tilts a little larger in the back, if you guys can see that. So the smaller ones are in the front, so it kind of slopes up. If you guys can see, let me turn it around so you guys can see where the off and on button's at. Um, Now this keyboard can be used for anything that you're able to connect to Bluetooth. So even your phone or your iPad and so forth. So to turn it on, all you got to do is hit that on button here. And then it tells you a couple options right now. Your battery, your Bluetooth, and your connection. So let's do a couple of tests on it and see how the noise tests on it. But before I do that, I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually clean your keyboard, remove the keys, and then put them in there. Now the keys don't have any lights, so don't you don't. It's to conserve battery, and also it's mostly used for the daylight only. So all right, we're gonna do a key test, keyboard test. You see how loud it is? Not that bad. Beautiful little details, page up, page down. Everything's cramped up on this part. Normally you'll find them up here, but today you'll find them on the side here. Overall, the keyboard is durable. I have it has a slope in the back, which I like. It's for your hand to actually curl up into the keyboards and then work way up. But overall, very slim, very durable. This you could carry in your backpack. It's very small, easy to carry around. Beautiful design. I hope you guys enjoy the video.